In some cases, there's wall damage that requires extensive repair. If you need to fix that large scuff or gouge and match the same paint, we're here to guide you along the way. Before we get started, here's a list of things you'll need. Step 1. Prep. Lightly sand the damaged area with sandpaper to refine the edges and remove any surface fragments. Wipe away any dust. Step 2. Color match. You can cut out a small, inconspicuous piece at the bottom of the wall that won't attract too much attention that you can easily patch. Another option is to repaint the entire wall for color consistency if too much time has passed since you last painted or you believe the wall might have faded. From there, color match the paint and sheen by bringing in the sample to your local Lowe's. They'll get you the closest match possible. Step 3. Patch and repair. Cover with a self-adhesive wall patch for both the gouge and small hole you may have cut to color match. Then spackle the perimeter and let dry. Now you can apply more patching material over the wall patch. Once it's dry, sand to a smooth touch. Step 4. Paint. Clean up any debris and lightly feather in the paint to the affected areas. Done! You're finished. The wall is repaired and looking better than before. For more painting information and how-tos, visit valspar.com.